Approximately 50% of people suffer from baldness, and these numbers are increasing rapidly every year. But you can increase the hair density by following the tips which we provide. Watch the video till the end for complete guide. If you want separate videos for remedies, comment remedies in the comment section. Welcome to our channel Natural Hair Care Tips. So in this video we will help you to find the right tips to increase your hair density. Those who are visiting our channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified instantly whenever I upload videos. First essential tip is to massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp increases the blood flow to your scalp and stimulates the new follicles to grow. Second, use aloe vera gel to increase hair density. You can take some fresh aloe vera gel and massage it to your scalp. Leave it for an hour and then wash it off with mild shampoo. Third, use eggs to increase hair thickness. 75% of hair is made up of protein. Eggs helps in nourishing the hair from the roots, thus making the hair thicker. Fourth, obviously it's diet. Make sure that you add vitamin B3, B6, B7, iron, zinc, vitamin C and D rich foods in your diet. Some foods that improve your hair quality are eggs, milk, fish, spinach, almonds and amla. Fifth, use fenugreek seeds. If you suffer from dandruff, ensure that you use fenugreek seed mask. Soak some seeds in water overnight. Then next day, blend it to make fine paste. Apply it to your scalp and hair. Leave it for 45 minutes and then wash it off with mild shampoo. Comment remedies in the comment section for separate remedy videos. Sixth, use shampoo with less chemicals. Check out the ingredients list in the shampoo. Avoid it if the following ingredients are present: sulfates, alcohol, parabens, silicones, artificial fragrance and colors, mineral oil, petroleum, and formaldehyde. Also check your hair oil ingredients. It should not contain mineral oil. Final point is to relieve your stress. Stress is one of the major cause of temporary hair loss. Stress can push hair follicles into a resting phase so that it increases hair fall. So reduce your stress levels by exercising daily, practicing meditation, sleeping 7 to 8 hours a day, reducing alcohol intake and stop smoking. Thanks for watching the full video. Hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notified instantly. And don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Comment down your queries and doubts so that we'll make a video on it. Once again, thank you for watching.